Welcome back to our YouTube channel!
In this episode, we'll be having a walking tour in Alamo Plaza.
Join us as we explore the most visited historic landmark in Texas.
We are now here in front of the Alamo Church. This is the spot where you usually see most people are taking their selfies. Of course, we will not miss this opportunity as well. If it's your first time here, it is quite confusing where the entrance and exit is. You can see that some people are going in to the left side of the church, but it is actually the exit. The entrance is to the right if you are facing the church. You need to get a ticket before you can get inside the Alamo Plaza. The booth is just in front of the church.
Enjoy!
Oh yes!
So Blue, what ticket did you get?
Alamo Church free ticket!
Alright, okay. Let's go! We are now walking in Alamo Plaza, and in the corner you'll find the entrance to the church. In this gate, you will need to show the ticket that you have. Now, let's go inside the Alamo Church. Finally, we are now inside. This chapel of the Alamo Mission is known as the Shrine of Texas Liberty. Originally a Spanish mission church used to convert the local American Indians to Christianity, the mission eventually became a community of Spanish, Mexican, and American Indian Catholics. Then later, it played a vital role in 1836 Battle of the Alamo. Today is a memorial of the Alamo defenders. This structure that you see is the souvenir shop. It is just outside the chapel. Now let's go to the long barracks, but before that, we'll be walking to the cavalry courtyard. Now we are inside the long barrack. It is said to be the oldest building on the Alamo site. This limestone barrack housed Spanish missionaries about 300 years ago and served as a shelter for Alamo's defenders during the 1836 Battle of the Alamo. We are done with our walking tour of the Alamo. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this episode. But before we go, we'll be leaving you a video of musket firing demonstration. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and smash that notification bell.
place. Odds are 1, 10.